although the US dollar is extremely overbought, the euro and the pound sterling continue to lose value. The need for at least a local correction rises every day. Meanwhile, news from Europe is forcing traders to withdraw their funds from European assets in favor of the US ones. Today, Germany issued its consumer climate report. In October, the indicator dropped to the lowest level since April. Judging by the data, consumer sentiment will hardly recover this year amid stably high inflation. There is no use in relying on the consumer sector of the European economy. It's unlikely to support the overall economic situation. Nevertheless, traders of the euro still hope to see a correction caused by the US durable goods orders. The indicator may decline by 1.4%, and notably a month ago, economists reported a decline of 2.5%. It means that the indicator has been falling for 2 months already. For your reference, durable goods orders reflect consumer activity, which is the main driver of the US economic growth. In other words, investors could express concern about the future of the US economy. On the trading chart, we see that a rebound in the euro-dollar pair stopped amid a new jump in the volume of short positions. As a result, the pair hit a new local low of the downward cycle. However, the technical signal of oversold conditions is still in force. Under the current conditions, the level of 1.0500 is likely to act as a support. In the event of this, the current downward cycle may slacken near this level and thus spurring a partial recovery of the euro. If speculators ignore the oversold signal and the quote stays below 1.0500 on the daily chart, the downward inertial movement is likely to gain momentum. Meanwhile, the pound sterling is ignoring technical signals of oversold conditions because of an inertial movement. Against this backdrop, the quote slid below 1.2150, which points to speculators' great interest in short positions. If the inertial movement remains in force and traders continue to ignore technical signals of the pound's oversold conditions, the pair may fall to the psychological area of 1.1950 and 1.2050. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to the channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.